Welcome to Webidex. Previously on Webidex, we discussed what is keyword research and its basics. In today's video, let's talk about what SEO tools can you use for finding better keywords for your website. So before moving into the video, we would like to remind you that if you are watching this video for the first time, this is the 8th video of the video series, How to Create a Successful Website. In our previous videos, we have discussed the fundamental facts of creating a successful website to earn money online. So, you can watch them also to get a better knowledge of creating a successful website. Let's move to the video. SEO tools for keyword research. Before talk about the SEO tools, let us just mention a few that many people use. SEMRush, Moz, Ahrefs, LongTailPro, Majestic SEO, Google Trend, Google Keyword Planner, Buzzsumo, and many more. In order to get a great idea of the best keywords, you can use Google SERP also. You can use one or more tools for this task. It will help you to make sure that the selected keyword is definitely suitable for your task or not, depending on your need. We use many of them a lot, because we can only trust all SEO tools except Google to a maximum of 90%. However, one SEO tool is also enough for your task. However, many people use unique methods and tools. But we have seen and heard many people using Moz SEM Rush tools usually. Things that can or should be taken into consideration in keyword research. Number 1, keyword difficulty. This can be done basically using SEO tools. What is the maximum limit that can be considered that keyword difficulty is good? There is no definite answer to this. You can make a decision based on the tool you use and your goals. If the keyword difficulty value is very low or minimum, it will be easier for you. Since the majority use Moz, our opinion is that it would be nice if it could go below 55%. Really? Isn't it below 25%? As we said, the decision is in your hands. If the keyword difficulty value is low, it is better for you. We will give you more idea about it. One thing we have seen especially is that most of the people who have done SEO and created a website have decided on the end result of keyword research based only on the Moz difficulty. According to them, if the Moz difficulty is less than 20%, it is considered a very easy keyword, and if less than 25% is an easy one. If the Moz difficulty is less than 40%, you have to put some effort to succeed. And, if it is more than 45%, then it is not worthwhile to test that keyword. Maybe you do too. Here, we are not saying that method is wrong. But let us just say one thing. If you decide on the keyword difficulty only based on an SEO tool, you will probably miss many keywords. That alone makes it difficult for us to make the right decision there. Now you may think, hey, I did too, how can that happen? You may know that the Moz index gives more weight to DA and PA, domain authority, page authority, so you already got the answer right. No. Okay, what websites with high DA and PA values we can easily pass in Google SERP? Let us tell you a few. Social media links like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, e-commerce websites, product links, Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, YouTube video links, and forum website question links. How can that be? They are big websites. You know how much Google search engine likes high-value content. You may know that websites like this often do not have such valuable content. If so, can't you easily get ahead of Google SERP by creating websites with high-value content? The most important thing to keep in mind when doing keyword research is that you cannot come to a complete conclusion about a keyword based on a tool alone. We'll tell you again, if you are doing so, you've missed out on a lot more. Otherwise, the accuracy of your keyword research is really questionable. We think now you have some understanding of this work. Number 2, search volume. It can also be done at your discretion. For those who target Google AdSense and affiliate marketing, you may need to pay attention to keywords that have a slightly higher search volume. If the search volume of the collection of keywords that you intend to use for at least one article should be more than 3,000, it will be good for your earnings. Here, keywords with the highest level of maximum search volume are more advantageous to you. Number 3, organic CTR. This has both advantages and disadvantages. First of all, if this is more, the number of visits to your website may increase. On the other hand, if the CTR decreases, even though you are in the first result in Google, the number of visits to your website will be decreased because the number of ads falling in the Google SERP will increase. As a result, this keyword adds more value and demand on the other hand. So you have to pay more attention to it as per your need. Now let's get off this SEO tool story for a bit. So after finding a keyword here, what other factors can you focus on to determine the good and bad of that keyword? After confirming the keyword, you can come a little further and now you can find out how many people are interested in this keyword. Number 1, if there is a downtrend in Google Trends that clearly indicates your keyword, the future of the keyword is not so good. Number 2, you can see on social media like Facebook and Twitter what kind of conversation has taken place. This is also possible with the Buzzsumo tool. Number 3, discussions, issues, etc. in forums. Number 4, the demand for your keyword on YouTube like videos and views. Number 5, a product-related keyword can also focus on the demand for websites like Amazon and eBay. After all these tests you will choose the best keyword. However, you can skip some of the above depending on your needs. Now how to write an article from this keyword. We will discuss this in detail in the next video. We hope that now you have a good understanding about keyword research. Comment below if you have queries, and we will try our best to reply to them all. That's all for today, pals. Please give a thumbs up if you really learned something. Also, if you are new to Webidex, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as well, so you won't miss our upcoming videos. So before we leave, keep in mind, don't work hard, work smart. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.